Welcome back to my channel. Here's another cake, a cake, mango float cake.
Every single day, I'm gonna make something great. That's my way. Every single day, I'm gonna make.
Here's the procedure where I'm doing my mango float cake. So since this cake has ice cream on it, so we will make an ice cream first. So this is the ingredients for this one is 2 bags of all-purpose cream, which is each bag is 250 grams for this one, and we will just beat it until this all-purpose cream will be in volume. So just continue beating this one, but you should make sure that your all-purpose cream is chilled overnight. So the all-purpose cream is double already. It's like foamy texture for this one. So you have to do is add the condensed milk, which is this ice cream is the flavor is mango. So I just bought 1 can of condensed milk which mango flavor. So you just add it one and wait for 2 minutes, but don't overbeat this one because your ice cream will be watery. So since this is mango, so I just add a flavor of mango flavoring for this one. Just add 2 teaspoons on it. So for mango, fresh mango topping on this one, I just prepare two mango, ripe mango on it. So that just a slice or this with little cubes, or then scrap with a tablespoon so that it's easier for you to scrap. It's depending on how thick, how long you want to slice in it, and how thick when you scrap using the spoon. So this cake is a slice first layer for this one, and just pour ice cream on the top on it. Just spread nicely the ice cream, and it's this decoration is a little bit challenging because of course the ice cream is melting like watery like that. So it's different types of decoration, which is you will be, how to say, you need to have more patience on decorating the mango float cake. And I'm using the cake for this one is vanilla cake. So since you done putting the first layer of the ice cream, so the second step is you need to put the fresh mango on the top of it, then another slice of cake, then ice cream and mango and ice cream until you done your cake layer of the cake. So it depends on you how long your cake you want to be. Then it's better you just slice the cake thin so that when you eat the cake, mango float cake, you can taste really the ice cream on it and the mango on the cake. Don't worry, it's a little messy on the side of the cake, but you can just scrub with spatula on the side of the cake so that it's because the ice cream is going down to the bottom of the cake. So just have patience cleaning it and make sure that all ice cream will be spreaded on the cake. So this time, make sure that all the side of the cake is spreaded with the ice cream so that all the cake is moist and it stays all ice cream on it. So this cake is I'm making this one last February 14. It's Valentine's Day, so I'm using the frosting color is red. So I just do a simple roasted on it, but on the top I just let it open with the ice cream, and I just put it in the freezer so that the ice cream will set and ready for 2 hours. Then you can take it out and try a piece of it, and you will love it. So this cake design is not only for Valentine's Day, it's also a good ideas for Mother's Day, Father's Day, or any birthday. And for sure, and I'm guaranteed you will love it, the taste, and try it. And if you have any questions, just comment down and I will answer you back. Thank you for watching, guys, and God bless.